Hey everyone. It's been a while, a week, but I wanted to kind of go through blizzard bags, kind of give you some examples of what it's going to look like, and then go over some study island stuff. But if you look on my screen, this is where I'm going to post all my assignments with details, so you can have like a full planner. But you can also get them on Google Classroom, just like I do other assignments. So you'll have option of looking at either one. This one, you can see Monday has the date, Blizzard Bag 1. I'll put 2, 3, 4, 5 on here for week 1, and then below is week 2. For Study Island, for this first Blizzard Bag, if you don't remember, your login would be your lunch number at CCS, or it might be your lunch number at CCS1, just depends. Try both if you don't remember, and then your lunch number is your password. For the first blizzard bag, you need to have three ribbons, 70%, at least 10 questions done. Now, you have to go through the lessons to get them to be completed. If you get all 3 ribbons and it says it's not done, it's because you didn't look at the lessons. So make sure you go through and read the lessons. Just click through them. Look at some of the information because it will help you, so you only have to do the ribbon once. But remember, on Study Island, I'll show you, when you log in, if you go to My Classes on the side, you may have to scroll down on the side, but for this one, you can see, go to View Assignments, and you want to find Blizzard Bag 1. So you can see Blizzard Bag 1, and there's 1 ribbon on Blizzard Bag 5, but I click Start here. And you can see there are 3. Now, when you click on them, you need to click Lesson first, and it will take you to the lesson. The nice thing about the lesson is if you click Tools, you can highlight things that you need and go through the lesson. So you can see here it's historical thinking. So there's some fact and opinion and purposes, main idea. You can kind of go through here as well. So that's the lesson. This one has 3, and when you're finished, you can click Finished, and it will take you to, you can see it's marked done here for the lesson, and then I can go to historical thinking and skills. So then I can do a practice. You can do game mode if you choose to do that, whichever one you want. Now, once you get all 3 done, you can go back to my Google Classroom and say done or complete. That way I know they're done and I can put them in progress book. If you have trouble, go refer back to the lessons. All your answers and all the necessary items are there to help. If you still have your computer set, you can have it read aloud. If you remember, if you see this, go to that and use it to read aloud the lessons, so you can just listen to them if you choose to do it that way. All right, hopefully you get these 3 done. If you need help, email me. I will try my best to help as much as I can. All right, see ya. Hopefully I see you soon.